In today's video, I am going to show you how to connect your Wix store to a Facebook shop so you can start selling your products directly on Facebook. First, log into your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage your website and store. Once you are there, open the Wix app market. In the search bar, type Facebook Shops by GoDataFeed. This is the app that connects your Wix store to Facebook. Click on the app, then select Add to Site and follow the instructions to install it. The app will integrate with your store automatically. Next, you'll need to connect your Facebook account. Log in when prompted and give the app permission to access your business assets. Make sure you select the correct Facebook page, Business Manager, and Catalog during setup so everything links properly. Once that's done, the app will sync your products from Wix to Facebook. This means your titles, prices, images, and stock levels will automatically stay updated on both platforms, so you won't have to manage products twice. After syncing, your Facebook shop will display the products from your Wix store, allowing customers to browse and purchase directly from Facebook while orders still flow back into Wix for processing. And that's it. Your Wix store is now successfully connected to your Facebook shop, helping you reach more customers and grow your business online. Happy selling!